posted some photos of the two of them walking their dog Tarzan, but I wanted to talk about that conversation that you have face to face with that person after you break up. The get ready process is a whole thing in and of itself, because I've been there. You know, you break up and then you take a couple days and then you guys meet up to talk, right? So there's like this whole thought process. Do you drink alcohol? Do you not drink alcohol? When you start getting ready, do you shave just in case something happens? Do you not shave? I feel like all these thoughts were going through Camila and Sean's heads.
If you don't shave, then you want to convey
legislate.
You cannot break it. They are not manifest as such. But accompanying those are the people. Shelter in the
local assemblyman, all right, came up with a bill to help
down in the TV lane. I ain't ever seen anything like your dress, my floor, your way you wore my t-shirt.
WBEE. The All Request playlist is on until 1 o'clock. You are the DJ, so let me know what you want to hear right now. DM me on Instagram with your song request at KV Neal.
My back is always breaking. My dogs are always barking. My money has trouble making, and my truck has trouble starting. I'm up before the sun, either hauling hay or hunting. My work ain't ever done, but son, I wouldn't trade it for nothing. So when I die, I wanna come back.
There's a chain, Rainforest Cafe.
Now, Rainforest has an aquarium in it too, right?
Some of them.
Yeah, the one in Niagara.
there's
Falls,
also-
I think.
Okay, bye-bye.